Fiverr is an online platform that connects freelancers with clients who are looking for various digital services. It's a marketplace for a wide range of freelance services, including graphic design, web development, content writing, digital marketing, video editing, and more. Fiverr allows individuals to offer their skills and services to a global audience. If you want to work on Fiverr, here are the steps to get started. 1. Sign up. ***, go to the Fiverr website, www.fiverr.com, and sign up for an account. You can use your email or link your account to your Google or Facebook profile. 2. Create a profile. ***, after signing up, create a detailed and professional profile. Add information about your skills, experience, and the services you plan to offer. A well-crafted profile is essential to attract potential clients. Services, gigs. ***, on Fiverr, services are referred to as gigs. Create your gigs by specifying what you're offering, the price, and any add-ons you may provide. Be clear and specific in your gig descriptions to help potential clients understand what they will get. 4. Pricing. ***, determine your pricing strategy for your gigs. Fiverr allows you to offer different packages with varying prices and services. Make sure your pricing is competitive and reflects the quality of your work. 5. Portfolio. ***, upload a portfolio of your work to showcase your skills and expertise. High-quality images or samples of your work can help you stand out. 6. Keywords and tags. ***, use relevant keywords and tags in your gig descriptions and profile. This will help potential clients find your services when they search on Fiverr. 7. Promote your services. ***, share your Fiverr gigs on your social media profiles, website, and to your network to increase visibility. You can also use Fiverr's paid promotion options to boost your gigs. 8. Respond promptly. ***, when clients contact you or place orders, respond promptly. Good communication is key to building trust and earning positive reviews. 9. Deliver quality work. ***, when you receive orders, ensure that you deliver high-quality work on time. Positive reviews and ratings from satisfied clients are crucial for building your reputation on Fiverr. 10. Fiverr Pro. ***, if you have a strong track record and want to offer premium services, you can apply to become a Fiverr Pro seller, which is a more exclusive category with higher earning potential. 11. Manage your orders. ***, keep track of your orders and manage your workload effectively. Fiverr provides tools to help you manage your projects and communication with clients. 12. Learn and adapt. ***, continuously improve your skills and services based on feedback and market trends. Stay updated with the latest industry standards and technology. Fiverr is a competitive platform, so it may take some time to establish yourself and attract clients. Building a strong reputation and consistently delivering quality work is key to long-term success on Fiverr. Additionally, read and understand Fiverr's terms of service to ensure you comply with their rules and regulations.